to unbox real fast, and then we'll...
You want to come up here? You can come up here. I don't know what she's doing, but...
What's up, guys? We have a couple packages to unbox that just came in. These are coming in from Footsites. Footsites have really been on point with their shipping lately. So we have these two to unbox real fast, and then we'll... What? We'll be right back.
Okay.
Well, alright, now that I have cut myself, let's try to be more careful and take a look at these boxes. They tape them so uneven, so it's kind of tough to get into. Honestly, kind of surprised that that's never happened before. So we made it pretty long. Peeled off. Alright. We have two pairs of the same exact shoe, one in a size 4.5, one in a size 7. This is the Nike Dunk Low Free 99 that just came out a couple days ago. We were able to snag two pairs of them. Pretty cool shoe in my opinion. I really like the colors. There was a lot of hype around these and then it all kind of died down for some reason. But still, pretty cool shoe. So let's talk about the releases that happened today. Today we saw the release of the Yeezy 700s on Yeezy Supply, and then also the Kobe's on Footsites. I don't know what's going on with our Yeezy Supply setup, guys. We're just not hitting lately. So we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board and figure some things out and see what we can do to get back hitting consistently like we were. The Kobe's, I'm not really upset that we didn't hit. There was less than 200 pairs, so it is what it is, you know. But we do have another good release coming up tomorrow, the Jordan 1. I think they're calling it Fuchsia Red, but everyone's just calling it the Mick Jordan 1 because it looks exactly like McDonald's colors. I'll throw a picture up on the screen. But a lot of people are saying that these are going to brick, but in my opinion, they're Jordan 1s. They're going to go up over time, so we're going to try to snag some pairs for sure. We're definitely going to try to snag some GS pairs for long-term holds, but we'll also try to pick up some adult pairs as well. But we'll just have to see if we're able to get any or not. Christy and I are actually about to head out in just a little bit and go pick up a cat because we are getting a cat today, so I'm very excited about that. So we'll have to show you guys Minx. That's our cat's name that we're getting from her friend. I'll probably introduce Minx as the newest member of the Soul State family tomorrow during the live cop. So now that I've cut myself and I've unboxed these shoes, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow.
Alright guys, we have these Dunk Lows, these free 99s. Got a few different bots running. So hopefully we can get something. Okay. Oh my gosh, we checked out on Cage. Checked out. Oh, let's go, we hit on Valor. Let's go. Guys, today is June 12th. We're going to be going for these Jordan 1. I think they're called Fusion Reds, but everyone's just calling them the McDonald's Jordan 1s because that's the colors, or that's the colorway of the shoe. So the release is in about 6 minutes, so we'll get our task ready to go, and hopefully we'll hit. Stock is around 2,000 pairs total across 3 websites, so if we don't hit, you know, it is what it is. I would like to get a checkout today, seeing as how we didn't get one yesterday. So this has been kind of a rough week as far as checkouts go. So hopefully we could get one today. We're running several bots. We're running Prism, Cage, Valor, NSB, ECB, and Whop. So hopefully we can get some pairs. As always, we're using Lemon Proxies and Live Proxies. All of the sponsors of the channel, Venus ISP, but we're relying pretty heavily on Lemon today, so hopefully Lemon can come through and get us another checkout as it has in the past. But we got about 6 minutes, so we'll wait to start our task until about 1 minute, and then we will get ready to go, and hopefully we get some checkouts. See you then, guys. Here we go. Yo, we checked out on foot action. Let's go. Oh my gosh, we've checked out 5 on Cage. We have 7 declines. Yo, are those all from snipes? Yo, I'm pretty sure we just cooked. Yo, we're cooking right now.
Delicious.
No, you don't. You did not have 7 checkouts on Cage. We actually had 0 on Cage. Oh, before I continue, shout out to Minx in the background. Minx! Minx. Yeah, there's Minx. That's the newest member of the Soul State fam. You want to come up here? You can come up here. I don't know what she's doing, but... Anyways, I think Cage, bugged. We didn't have any checkouts on Cage. Yeah, so we had 2 on Prism, which we got within the first 2 minutes. And then after that, we stopped within 5 minutes of the release because we really didn't need more than 2. I'm pretty okay with just having 2. But yeah, contrary to what I said in the last clip, I did not have 7 checkouts. I got 2. But overall, I'm fine with that for this release. And that's actually going to go ahead and end it for this Resell Life episode. Thank you so much for tuning into the episode. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, as always. And don't forget to take me up on that offer that I mentioned in my last live cop and that I mentioned earlier in this video as well. If you guys purchase anything from soulstate.net, excluding the stickers, don't be that guy who just goes on and purchases stickers to get the invite. If you purchase actual merch, like some type of tee or hoodie or something like that, then I will guarantee you guys an invite to the Lemon Proxies Discord server, one of our sponsors on the channel. Thank you so much to all the sponsors. Thank you especially to Lemon and Quokka for powering us through the releases this past week. And also, again, shout out to Minx just because. So thank you so much to all the sponsors. Thank you so much to you guys. We're at 1,300 subscribers. That's huge. Thank you so much. We're on the grind to 1,500. I'll probably do another giveaway at 1,500. So let's go ahead and get us there to 15, and we will host another big giveaway. So that's it, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed all the content. And those Dunk Low free 99s are up on my website right now, available for purchase if you guys want to purchase those as well. So thank you so much to all my sponsors. Thank you to all my viewers, all of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much, and that'll do it for this one, but we will always see you guys on the next one.